Welcome to the Signata Corporation How-to Video Waveform Viewer series, and thank you for choosing Signata. This video is the Loading Your Waveform Files module. We will start by choosing the Load Waveform Files for Analysis from the File menu, which then opens an Open File window. You can now select files from your directory of choice. My waveform files happen to be under my desktop directory in a folder I've named Waveforms. Note that the loading automatically always begins at channel 1, starting with the first waveform list in the list, channel 2 for the second waveform, etc. You will now see that the waveforms appear in the full and selective view displays. Now to clear your waveforms, you choose again the File menu, and this time select Clear All Waveforms. You will now see that the waveforms are cleared from the selected and full view displays. Now I'm going to choose the Load Manage Multiple Files from the File menu, but this time we first select any channel to start loading waveforms to, and then select Load Waveforms, Load Files, which then opens an Open File window. Note that we can load up to 12 waveforms, assuming we have not loaded some of the channels with waveforms already. But we know that we just cleared all the waveforms in the previous step. I will again select files under my desktop directory in a folder I've named Waveforms. You will now see that the waveforms appear in both the selected and full view displays. Now again, I will clear the waveforms. The previous steps were for loading waveform captures from an oscilloscope, but for loading TR0 files or simulation files, a TR0 waveform selector menu opens after we choose one of the load files, which we already did and demonstrated, from the File menu, and select a TR0 file from the Open File menu. For this video demonstration, I have TR0 files from under my Downloads directory, and as soon as I select one of these files, the TR0 waveform selector menu opens. As you can see, all the simulation files can now be seen in that folder. Now I select my waveforms of interest using the right arrow. The files will appear on the right side of the menu. Now as I click on OK, these simulation waveforms will appear in the full and selective view displays. Again, thank you for choosing the Signata Waveform Viewer that you can use anytime and anywhere.